Welcome, today in front of me Motorola G71 5G, and I'll show you how to check Android version on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here, scroll down here to the about phone section. Now just here, as can you see, we got a lot of information about our device, and by a little bit scroll down here you will see the Android version section, and in our case, as can you see, that's Android 11. And when you keep tapping here, you can open the Easter egg of Android 11. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.